This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
So first is hypothalamus. Actually, hypothalamus is a part of brain, or we can say it is the connector between brain and our endocrine system. It has a variety of functions. It is very small, approximately 4 gram in the weight, and cone-like structure that is directly connected to the pituitary gland by pituitary stalk. It is an extremely complex part of the brain containing many regions and highly specified functions. So it is here. This is hypothalamus, just above the pituitary gland. One of the most important functions of hypothalamus is to link the nervous system to the endocrine system via the pituitary gland. Almost all the hormones secretion by pituitary gland is controlled either by hormonal or electrical, or we can say nerve signals from the hypothalamus. Hypothalamic hormones reach to the anterior pituitary through a portal system of blood vessels known as hypophyseal portal system. What are the hormones secreted by hypothalamus? There are two sets of hormones released by hypothalamus. One set of hormones reach to the posterior gland and another set reach to the anterior pituitary gland. The hormones which reach to the posterior pituitary gland are antidiuretic hormone and oxytocin. These hormones are produced by hypothalamus while they are released by posterior pituitary. Antidiuretic hormone causes water reabsorption in the kidney, and oxytocin hormone leads to contraction of uterus during childbirth process, and it also help in breastfeeding process. The other set of hormone, these are known as stimulating and inhibiting hormones and reach to the anterior pituitary. These hormones are number 1, growth hormone releasing hormone GHRH. It stimulates the cells in anterior lobe of pituitary gland to secrete growth hormone. Next is growth hormone release inhibiting hormone GHRH. It is also known as somatostatin. Somatostatin acts on anterior lobe of pituitary to inhibit the release of growth hormone and inhibit the release of thyroid stimulating hormone as well. Next is thyrotropin-releasing hormone TRH. When it reaches to the anterior lobe of pituitary gland, it stimulates release of thyroid stimulating hormone and prolactin. Corticotropin-releasing hormone CRH. Its action on cells of anterior pituitary stimulate the release of adrenocorticotropic hormone, which is also known as corticotropin. Next is prolactin releasing hormone PRH. It stimulates anterior lobe of pituitary and stimulates the release of prolactin hormone. Next is prolactin inhibiting hormone PIH. It is also known as dopamine. It inhibits the production of prolactin hormone from anterior pituitary gland. Gonadotropin-releasing hormone GnRH. GnRH stimulate anterior pituitary to release follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone, which work together to ensure normal functioning of ovaries and testes.
My student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.